Hello, and welcome to Learn German Studios. Today, we are going to learn the formal and informal way of saying time in German, and when to use them, and how Germans speak time in daily life. Let's begin. Now we will see example questions on how to ask the time. Wie spät ist es? What time is it? Können Sie mir bitte sagen, wie spät es ist? Could you please tell me what time it is? Weißt du, wie spät es ist? Do you know what time it is? Next, we will learn how to answer these questions in German. In German, time is spoken in two ways, formal time and informal time. Formal time is spoken in 24-hour format, and informal in 12-hour format. Formal 24-hour format is mostly used for trains, buses, schools, official work, news, and announcements. Let's start with formal time. Formal time follows the 24-hour clock. Formal time structure is Stunde plus Uhr plus Minuten. Sometimes, when we mention with hour, we skip the saying Minuten. For example, es ist 7 Uhr. It is 7 o'clock. Es ist 14 Uhr. It is 14 o'clock. Es ist 14 Uhr. It is 14 o'clock. Es ist 14:15 Uhr. It is 14:15 hours. Es ist 14:15 Uhr. It is 14:15 hours. Es ist 14:30 Uhr. It is 14:30 hours. Es ist 14:30 Uhr. It is 14:30 hours. Es ist 14:45 Uhr. It is 14:45 hours. Es ist 14:45 Uhr. It is 14:45 hours. Formal time is easy if you know German numbers. You read the clock numbers exactly. Informal time in German. Now let's move to informal time. In German, informal time is mostly used with family and friends. First, learn these important keywords for informal time. Viertel means quarter. Halb means half. Vor means before. Nach means after. Now let's see informal time examples. Es ist 2 Uhr nachmittags. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Es ist 2 Uhr nachmittags. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Es ist 5 nach 2. It is 5 past 2. Es ist 5 nach 2. It is 5 past 2. Es ist 10 nach 2. It is 10 past 2. Es ist 10 nach 2. It is 10 past 2. Es ist Viertel nach 2. It is quarter past 2. Es ist Viertel nach 2. It is quarter past 2. Now we will see how we use time speaking towards the next hour. 2:20 p.m. Es ist 10 vor halb 3. It is 20 past 2. Es ist 10 vor halb 3. It is 20 past 2. Note that it is like 10 minutes before 2:30 p.m. Es ist 5 vor halb 3. It is 25 past 2. Es ist 5 vor halb 3. It is 25 past 2. Note that it is like 5 minutes before 2:30 p.m. So in German, we often speak towards the next hour. Let's see now how half-hour rule applies here. Es ist halb 3. It is half past 2. Es ist halb 3. It is half past 2. Just notice that when saying half an hour in German, we say the next hour. Here you can see, Halb drei is 2:30. It is like saying half an hour to 3. Do not get confused with the word drei used here. Other examples are halb vier is 3:30. Halb fünf is 4:30. After half an hour, time is spoken like, for example, es ist 5 nach halb drei. It is 25 to 3. Es ist 5 nach halb drei. It is 25 to 3. Note that it is like 5 minutes after 2:30 p.m. Or it can be said as es ist 25 vor drei. It's 25 minutes to 3. Es ist 25 vor drei. It's 25 minutes to 3. Note that it is 25 minutes before 3 p.m. Es ist 10 nach halb drei. It is 20 minutes to 3. Es ist 10 nach halb drei. It is 20 minutes to 3. Note that it is like 10 minutes after 2:30 p.m. Or it can be said to be easier way as es ist 20 vor drei. It is 20 minutes to 3. Es ist 20 vor drei. It is 20 minutes to 3. Note that it is 20 minutes before 3 p.m. Let's see how we say time just before the full hour. Es ist Viertel vor drei. It's a quarter to 3. Es ist Viertel vor drei. It's a quarter to 3. Note that it is like 15 minutes before 3 p.m. Es ist 10 vor drei. It's 10 minutes to 3. Es ist 10 vor drei. It's 10 minutes to 3. Note that it is like 10 minutes before 3 p.m. Es ist 5 vor drei. It is 5 minutes to 3. Es ist 5 vor drei. It is 5 minutes to 3. Es ist 3 Uhr nachmittags. It is 3 in the afternoon. Es ist 3 Uhr nachmittags. It is 3 in the afternoon. Let's see how we use kurz vor and kurz nach in time. When it is less than 5 minutes before the hour, es ist kurz vor 3 Uhr. It is shortly before 3 o'clock. Es ist kurz vor 3 Uhr. It is shortly before 3 o'clock. Note that when we have to say less than 5 minutes before the hour, we use the word vor. When it is less than 5 minutes after the hour, es ist kurz nach 3 Uhr. It is just after 3 o'clock. Es ist kurz nach 3 Uhr. It is just after 3 o'clock. Note that when we have to say less than 5 minutes after the hour, we use the word nach. If you cannot go through full video, just remember this clock. On this clock, you can see informal time in German. Germans often do not say the exact minutes. They use words like nach, vor, Viertel, and halb. Very often, they speak towards the next hour. This way of telling time is common when talking with family and friends. Okay, now it is quiz time. Let's see how much you have understood and learnt. Quiz 1. Formal time. Es ist 14 Uhr. It is 14 o'clock. How do we say this informally? Can you guess the answer? Think about it. Answer is, es ist 2 Uhr nachmittags. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Quiz 2. Formal time. Es ist 14:30 Uhr. It is 14:30. How do we say this informally? Take a moment and think. The answer is, es ist halb drei. It is 2:30. Quiz 3. Formal time. Es ist 14:40 Uhr. It is 14:40. How do we say this informally? Remember the half-hour rule. Think about it. The answer is, es ist 10 nach halb drei. It is 20 minutes to 3. Quiz. 4. Formal time. Es ist 14:55 Uhr. It is 14:55. How do we say this informally? Can you guess? The answer is, es ist 5:03. It is 5 minutes to 3. Quiz. 5. So this is your last quiz. Formal time. Es ist 14:58 Uhr. It is 14:58 hours. How do we say this informally? Just a few minutes before the hour. Can you guess? You can do it. The answer is, es ist kurz vor 3 Uhr. It is shortly before 3 o'clock. Well done! Comment below as how many answers you got correct. Great job for completing saying time in German. Keep practicing, and soon, telling time in German will feel natural. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson from Learn German Studios.